Alright, here it is, final install. Both of those screws in, it's tucked away nicely. Got my hot, my red, my power wire, and all the way over, zip tied out of the way. Tied in underneath positive cover, fuse there. Works pretty good. I actually wish it was just a little bit longer and I could tie it to the harness a little bit better and keep it out of the way. As you can see, it's just a little short now, but hey, pretty good length. The ground I've got kind of run over here, maybe another zip tie on it. Loops around, that's tied in down at this factory ground point. Supply hose going up through into the harness. I've already got everything back up on underneath the cowl back in. Tested it out, it squirts and everything goes through it correctly. As you can see, inlet outlet's marked on here. Maybe you can't see. Yeah, barely. So there's an out arrow on the top. And yeah, running around. I might maybe a couple more zip ties hold things around. So yeah, that sure does fit nice right there. It'd be sweet if you could just grab into the harness bundle right here and get the tube out, run it over, and then run it right back in. That'd be even cleaner than all the stuff I did, but you'd have to go fishing in there, and you have to be careful because there's two of them, one for the front and one for the back, and you might tie into the rear harness, or the rear tube for the rear squirter, and that wouldn't be good. But there we go. That should clear if you've got a manual transmission as well. Like that. Now, it's also like 75 degrees out right now, so I know the washer fluid's getting through and the wipers are working and everything's, you know, good up here, but I gotta wait until it's cold to see if this thing actually kicks on. It's supposed to be thermostatically controlled, so when it's, you know, below freezing or below some temperature, it should come on and squirt out some hot fluid. So, well, hopefully that's it. See how this works. Report back when I've actually got some frost on the windshield.